Hello everyone. Now this video is a quiz on addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So see how you get on with this one. Hopefully you can get them all right. So here we go. As usual, we're going to have 4 test questions. So get your pen or pencil and paper ready for the test questions. Right, so test on column addition. Right, so start working on that one. 125 plus 323. So as usual, I'm going to start writing up the next one. The next one is 235 plus 145. So that's question 2. Okay, so just keep on working. If you can't keep up with the speed I'm going, don't worry, because you can always pause the video before I've given all the answers. So 683 plus 349. Right, so that's 349. Just going to redo the 9. And then we're going to do 758 plus 646. Right, I'll just give you a minute or so to work on those, and then I'll start going through the answers. Okay, so let's go through the first one. So 5 plus 3 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 3 is 4. So the first answer, 448. Question 2, 5 plus 5 is 0, 1 down there. 3 plus 4 is 7, add the 1 is 8, and then 2 plus 1 is 3, so our answer is 380. Right, third question, 3 plus 9 will give us 12. 8 plus 4, 12, but add 1 to give 13. 6 plus 3 is 9, but add 1 to give 10. So third answer is 1032. Right, last question. 8 plus 6, 14. 5 plus 4 is 9, but add the 1 to make 10. 7 plus 6 is 13, but add the 1 to make 14. So the last answer is 1404. And get ready for 4 test questions on column subtraction. Right, the first question then is 863 take away 231. So if you start working that one out, I'm going to write the next question. So the next question is 471 take away 232. Right, so keep on working. Next question, 634 take away 349. Next question, 745 take away 637. Okay, I'm just going to give you a few seconds to start on those. If you don't finish before I start going through them, just pause the video so that you can then complete the sums and then see if you got them right. Okay, so then first question. So 3 take away 1 gives us 2. 6 take away 3 gives us 3. 8 take away 2 gives us 6. So the answer to the first question, 632. Question 2, you can't do 1 take away 2, cross out the 7, make it a 6. Make that 11, take away 2 is 9. 6 take away 3 is 3, 4 take away 2 is 2. Okay, question 3. So 4 take away 9 we can't do. Cross out that 3, make that a 2, put the 1 there to make it 14. 14 take away 9 will give us 5. Then 2 take away 4 we can't do, so let's make that 12, which we do by crossing out that to make 5. So 12 take away 4 is 8. 5 take away 3 is 2. Brilliant. So last question then. So we can't do 5 take away 7, so we're going to have to cross out that 4 and make it a 3, which gives us 15. So 15 take away 7 is 8. So 3 take away 3 is 0. 7 take away 6 is 1. So there's our answers to the column subtraction. Get your pen, pencil and paper ready for the test. Right, let's look at some questions on column multiplication then. So first of all, we'll start off with 23 times 2. So you can write that one down, start working on that one while I write the others out. Next question is going to be 26 times 8. So get that one written down, start working on that one if you finish this one. Okay, next question is going to be 132 multiplied by 14. And then we're going to do, for last question, 326 multiplied by 24. I'm not going to wait too long on these. It doesn't matter if it takes you a while with these questions, so I don't expect you to have necessarily finished when I start going through them. Okay, so if you haven't finished, you might want to pause the video, finish them off, and then see what the answers are. So first question, let's go through it. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. So the answer is 46. Second question, 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 2 is 16. Add the 4 makes 20. So the answer is 208. Right, on this one, remember we do the 4 times first, then the 1 times. So 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4, but add the 1 to make 5. Next we do the 1, but we've got to put in the 0 as our placeholder. So 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. And as you can see, we've just about left enough room to do 1 times 1 is 1. Add those together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 plus 3 is 8. And there's a 1 at the end. So the answer is 1,848. These questions have not been rehearsed, so I might get one wrong. If I do, please get in touch and tell us what I did wrong. So next question, 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 2 is 8, add the 2 makes 10. 4 times 3 is 12, add the 1 is 13. So far so good. Put in our placeholder 0. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 2 is 4, add the 1, 5. 2 times 3 is 6. So all we've got to do now is add these together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 plus 5 is 8. And 1 plus 6 is 7. So the answer is 7,824. So here are some test questions on bus stop division. So first of all, how many 4s go into 484? So if you haven't gone to get your pen and paper, make sure you've got it now. So start that question while I write up the rest. Question 2 is how many 5s into 125? Question 3, how many 6s into 978? And question 4, how many 4s in 4.11? Okay, so have a go at those questions. If you're very quick, you may have already finished. If not, you can pause the video, finish the questions off, and then we'll go through them. So question 1, how many 4s in 4? 1. How many 4s in 8? 2. How many 4s in 4? 1. So the answer to that, nice and simple, 121. Next question, how many 5s in 1 is 0, remainder 1. How many 5s in 12 would be 2 in 10, remainder 2. How many 5s in 25 would be 5? So the answer to question 2 is 25. Question 3. How many 6s in 9 is 1, remainder 3? How many 6s in 37? Well, 6 6s are 36. So 6, there's 1 left over. How many 6s in 18 is 3? So the answer to question 3, 163. Last question. How many 4s in 4 is 1? How many 4s in 1 is 0, remainder, not 4, but remainder 1, because we didn't use it. How many 4s in 11? Well, it's 2. 2 4s are 8, so remainder is 3, which means we need to draw another 0. How many 4s in 30? 7. But that only makes 28, so remainder is 2. How many 4s in 20? The answer is 5. So the answer to question 4 is 1.0275. Thank you for watching that video, and if you enjoyed that, please check out our website for more great online resources. So the address is www.routes2success11plus.uk, or find us on Twitter @routes2success. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos. Thank you.